Hello students, yoga heals the soul. Today's asanas are Paschimottanasana, Sarvangasana and Salabhasana. First, Paschimottanasana. Let's begin Paschimottanasana. Step 1, sit straight. Step 2, raise your hands like this. Step 3, and now follow me. Paschimottanasana. Method of doing. Sit straight with your legs stretched. Raise your hands upwards. Keep your elbows straight. And then bend your body forward slowly. Try to touch your palm with your toes. Place forehead on knees. Keep this position for a few seconds and then return back to this. Now original position. Let's practice Paschimottanasana one more time. Sit straight. Raise your hands straight in front of your shoulder level. Raise your hands upwards now. Bend your body slowly and try to touch your toes with your hands, palms. Keep this pose for a few seconds and then return to the original position. Like this. Now next asana is Sarvangasana. Learn the positions of Sarvangasana, the steps you have to follow. First step is lie down on your back, fold your knees like this, lift your legs, then stretch your legs upwards, keep your legs straight. This is the final position. Uplift your hips with the help of your palm. Again, lie down on your back, fold your knees, lift your legs, stretch legs upwards, keep your legs straight, uplift your hips with the help of your palm. This is the final position. The benefits of Sarvangasana is it keeps the spine healthy and strong, improves digestive system, and increases height. Now once again, Sarvangasana.
Shoulder stand posture.
Lie down
Steps to do.
on your back.
Lie on your back.
Keep your body straight.
Bend your knees.
Uplift your legs like this. Fold your knees and stretch your legs upwards.
Support your back.
Uplift your hips with the help of your palm. This is the final position of Sarvangasana.
Perpendicular to the floor.
Keep this position for few seconds or as long as you are able to do it.
Upper arms touch the floor. Join and tighten your legs. Point your
Now,
toes.
slowly
This is
return
Sarvangasana.
to the
Then
original
bend your
position.
knees and come down gently.
Keep your movements slow.
Benefits.
Once
It
again,
helps in relieving
practice Sarvangasana.
headache, cold, cough, and constipation. It refreshes the
Fold your
body
knees and lift your
calm.
legs upwards.
It improves
Support
the functioning
hips with the help of your
vital
palms.
organs and glands.
Okay, now good. Moving to the third asana, that is Salabhasana. Now, Salabhasana positions are lie on your stomach.
Salabhasana.
Method
Lie
of
on
doing
your stomach with your
chin on the
touching
floor, legs straight,
Keep your legs straight with your feet
hands by
pointing
the
out.
side.
Keep hands by the side.
Breathe
Breathe in
deeply
deeply.
Hold
Hold your
your
breath,
breath.
and raise the legs.
Raise your legs.
keeping them straight.
and hold the position
Hold
for
a
few
few
seconds.
Breathe
Start
out
again.
slowly.
Breathe out.
Lower
And
your
last you have
legs
to breathe out
and
and
relax.
relax. Start again.
Now, let's try.
Breathe
again.
deeply and start uplifting your legs
Try
and hold your
to
breath
hold
for few
this pose
seconds.
for few
Breathe
seconds.
out and relax.
It improves eyesight
Keep this position
and
for
hearing,
few seconds.
and it strengthens your lower
Again.
back.
Practice this asana with me. Once again, try the same asana, Salabhasana. This is the final position. Lie on your stomach, chin on the floor. Touch your chin on the floor. Keep your legs straight, don't bend your legs. Keep your hands by the side, don't bend your elbows. Breathe deeply, hold your breath, and raise your legs slowly. Raise your chin also and hold the position for few seconds. Breathe out and relax. Once again, chin on the floor. Breathe deeply. Start uplifting your legs and chin. Hold your breath for some time. Breathe out and relax. Once again, do Salabhasana. Hold your breath and relax.